Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and bread is the staff of life. But when you have 7 people living in a household, it's hard to have one place with all your bread. So that's why we were really excited to find this double-decker Pitmoly bread box. Now, the reason why this has really helped my family is, as I said, we have lots of people living in this house, so everyone has their own special tortillas, special bread. My niece likes English muffins. We have banana bread. Maybe we might have breadsticks. There's usually a huge supply of bread in this household. So it's really important to be able to keep it organized. So what we do is that we keep the bottom part that says bakery on it. That's where we keep all of our tortillas, and there's so much space. So you can really just stack in all the different low carb, wheat tortillas, regular flour tortillas, corn tortillas. You can stack them all there, and we're able to just flip through, get the one that we need. And then up top where it says bread, you can put your English muffins, banana bread, maybe other baked goods. Because it has that nice curve to it, you really can fit a lot in there. I'm always surprised how much I can get in there. So this has really solved a lot of our bread and tortilla problems in this household, and we are extremely happy with it. And that's our point of view.